Hello and welcome again. Today is the last video I'm going to make. And no, don't be scared. It's because today it's 31 of December 2019. So it's the last day of this year and also the last video I will make this year. What I'm going to do in this video, I think it will be a long video again, but sorry for this. But we are going to build my Christmas present, the Lego interactive thing. I'm going to build this together with you. It's for 7 years and older, so I think it will be done in less than 30 minutes. It's also not that much that's inside. So let us build this Lego thingy and look what it does after. So just let us enjoy Lego. Okay, that was a quick time lapse of me building this Lego thing. It was not that difficult to do, it was super fast, not that much of parts, and now we have to download the application and see what it does. I realized when I was making the time-lapse that you saw more of the book, how we should make it, than the real thing itself. And now I also realize that I should not wear a black polo, because black on black it's really dark. But this is the end results. So let us download the application, and then we are going to look what it actually does. And then I think it will be almost 6, 7. Oh, it's already falling apart. And then it's time to celebrate New Year. But first we are going to do the application. So I have my phone here, and let us search for the application. I will show it here in the screen. Like this. And I have to write it correctly. And you see it's directly the first one that pops up. I have to say okay, and now it's downloading, if it's correct. Actually, it says it's doing downloading. Normally it goes faster, but for one reason it doesn't right now. Maybe too much traffic at the moment. So let me skip this part. Okay, let us open the application. Enter ghost. I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh, there is 3. Let me push 3. Solo. Now it's opening the application. Start. I have to scan the house. The tree, sorry. That's doing nothing. Maybe I should remove the figures because they are not on the picture. Yeah, let me remove this. 2, 3, 4. Okay, try it again. And nothing. Ah, there it is. Okay. This looks kind of funny. And now, clear all the gloom. What does this say? 2, 2, 1. Red. Let me put it in red. Okay. Find the gloom. Maybe I should put it on yellow instead of red. Tap. Find 85%. That goes fast. It's spiders. I hate spiders. Cannot do anything with them. Scan. Okay. Stuck. Ah, now it's blue. Okay. I think something is there. Looks blue. Yeah. You see my Christmas tree. That's blue. Doesn't do anything. Yellow. Try again with yellow. I saw something yellow there up on the top. Try yellow. It's yellow. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Push. Yeah, that's good. What did just happen? I have no idea. Just comment below what you think of this, because the box of Lego was for 7 years, but I think this is for 20 and older. Yeah, water. Do something. Scan again and tap. There, now that was. I have no clue what I'm doing. I have 41% on the top. Let me try it again. Blue. 1. Find the bloom, bloom, bloom. 35%. That's blue there, the lights. Really strange. Push, scan. And find. Turn the wheel and tap. 25. What did I just do? Turn again. To what? Let me turn the other side around. Gray. Gray doesn't do anything. Scan. Okay. Oh, blue. Doesn't do anything. This one. Ghost. Overheated. Oh my god. Maybe I should fire the green things. Overheated again. I think this is not a game for children. Shoot, 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 shoot. 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26. Ah, he's dead! Or he's catched. What does he do? Oh, he's catched. And now? I have no idea what just happened, but I'm done with it. Ciao! Okay, so as you can see, maybe I have to practice a little bit more in this whole thing. And I had no clue what I was doing. But for now, it's time to say goodbye. And yeah, like all things come to an end. And also this year. So for now, I want to wish you all the best and all the good luck for next year. That we have make a lot of new videos for the new year. I wish you a happy new year. I wish you a healthy new year. And of course, what I told you, next week I will be there with a new video. But for now, enjoy your day, enjoy your evening, enjoy your last couple of hours of 2019, enjoy the beginning of 2020, and I want to say, see you next year. Santé. Bye bye.